Welcome back, everyone. I'm Tanya O'Rourke, live outside the Hamilton County Courthouse, where we continue our coverage of the Ray Tenzing retrial. The former UC officer is charged with the murder in the shooting death, that is, of Sam DuBose. Opening statements are finally in the books, and we heard the first witness testimony today. I'm joined now by retired Judge Norbert Nadel, nearly 40 decades on the bench, and thank you so much for being with us.
My pleasure.
You were with me at 5:30. We talked about a few things. I want to go to those things in a few seconds, but I want to start with something we didn't get to, and that is Officer Kidd. He was testifying today, and he said that at the time this happened, he was on the scene and he saw Ray Tenzing said, did you see me get dragged? And he said, yes, I saw that. And he now says on the stand under oath, I didn't see him get dragged. How does that play for the jurors?
Well, you have to realize this happened in a matter of seconds, and things go real fast in a matter of seconds in a desperate situation like that, and memories change, and some people aren't sure what they saw in a matter of seconds in a situation like that.
And it could be that he said, oh, yeah, I saw you dragged, and then later thought about it and goes, I didn't see that at all. I can't testify to that.
That's a possible explanation. And again, I think the defense will argue that, hey, this was just a matter of a few seconds and nobody really knows what they saw.
One more thing about that. He's an officer. Ray Tenzing is a former officer, but they're still part of that same fraternity. And there sort of is that we protect each other sort of thing. At least we perceive that. We, the public, tend to perceive that. But he didn't protect him in this case. He's saying, no, that didn't happen.
Well, he's under oath, and I think he realizes he has to tell the truth.
Sure.
And people know what happened or what didn't happen, and he's got to tell it the way he thinks he saw it.
They will continue with more officers tomorrow, but I want to go back to the opening statements. About 10 minutes for the prosecution. Very quick, very brief. What did you think? Could you give it a grade?
Oh, I give it a good grade. The prosecution, Stacey DeGraffenreid, really an experienced prosecutor, a good prosecutor. She kept it very simple. She didn't limit herself to a lot of minute facts that maybe can't be proven later.
And then what about the defense? Stu Matthews took virtually the same amount of time as he did last time, about a half hour.
Right. He made what he feels are his good points, and I've indicated I think the good points that he made were that the Sam DuBose had no license, he was under suspension, there was $2,600 in the car, and there was a large amount of drugs, at least according to Stu Matthews, felony level of drugs in the car.
Retired Judge Norbert Nadel, thanks so much for being with us. You hung out with me for a long time today to do this. I appreciate that so much. And our coverage of this trial continues online, WCPO.com/Tenzing trial. Go there anytime, day or night. And we will have more of this coming up tonight on 9 on Your Side at 11. Kristen?